Everybody is looking for that dream job. But what if I told you some jobs can fill your bank faster than a speeding bullet? First up, we've got doctors. These medical heroes can earn upwards of $200,000 a year. Next, software developers. Code your way to a six-figure salary. And don't forget investment bankers. They're swimming in bonuses, making around $150,000 annually. Here's a surprise. Data scientists. They're the new rock stars with salaries hitting $130,000. And let's not overlook corporate lawyers. They can charge hefty fees, raking in $140,000 or more. If you love flying, commercial pilots can earn a cool $160,000. And for the creatively inclined, marketing managers can pocket about $135,000. So, whether you're saving lives, writing code, or flying high, there's a lucrative career waiting for you. Hit like, subscribe, and let us know which job you're aiming for in the comments. See you in the next one.